Boosting your brain function can be easy and delicious with natural recipes. Let's explore 5 of them. 1. A blueberry and walnut smoothie. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants, and walnuts are great for brain health. Blueberries help improve memory, while walnuts provide omega-3 fatty acids that support brain cell function. 2. Spinach and avocado salad. Spinach is loaded with vitamins, and avocado contains healthy fats that support cognition. Spinach boosts brain power with vitamin K, while avocado's monounsaturated fats improve blood flow to the brain. 3. Turmeric golden milk. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Turmeric helps boost mood and cognitive functions by reducing brain inflammation. 4. Dark chocolate and almond bites. Dark chocolate contains flavonoids, and almonds are rich in vitamin E. Dark chocolate improves memory and focus, while almonds help slow cognitive decline. 5. Green tea with lemon and ginger. Green tea boosts alertness, and ginger helps with concentration. Green tea contains L-theanine, which promotes relaxation and focus, while ginger sharpens the mind. Incorporate these 5 natural recipes into your daily routine for a healthy, active brain. Combine these recipes with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and enough sleep for optimal brain health. Stay tuned for more healthy tips. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more.